of this regiment. And in fact, in the words of the President, they are the flag bearers of the rich heritage and military culture of our lands. With discipline, dedication and valor, we strive to maintain the best traditions of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The officers and men of the PVG are not only highly proficient cavalry horse riders, they also share a very unique bond with their horses. In fact, beyond ceremonial duties, these horses excel in sports, also contributing to the regiment its 250-year-old legacy. Proficient cavalry horse riders, trained tankmen, daring paratroopers. And here at Vijay Chowk, excitement galore as Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives here at the venue.
गण्यमान्य व्यक्तियों की मौजूदगी से समारोह की शान बढ़ती है। एक एक करके आगमन हो रहा है भारत के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्तियों का। जाना पहचाना ये कारों का काफिला धीरे धीरे विजय चौक पर सलामी मंच के नजदीक रुकता हुआ जन समूह में उत्सुकता बढ़ती हुई हमारे गणतंत्र उत्सव बीटिंग रिट्रीट समारोह पर आगमन हो रहा है दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का। उनकी अगवानी के लिए रक्षा मंत्री, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री, डिफेंस सेक्रेटरी, सीडीएस और तीनों सेनाओं के अध्यक्ष, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री का आगमन विजय चौक पर।
The Prime Minister having arrived here for the finale of our Republic Day celebrations. So as we take in these thoughtfully and aesthetically framed visuals by a highly trained and professional and passionate camera and production team, we can't but wholeheartedly appreciate the beauty of this magnificent heritage steeped in history. As we've seen over the years, when time merges the yesteryears into today, days like today make us feel anchored and held, a sense of belonging to our roots that allow us to look forward to a tomorrow. Stability, change, continuity, all in a particular rhythm feeding into culture and tradition. And on days like today, this tradition speaks to a republic. And in a short while from now, martial music will move into millennial sensibilities.
बीटिंग रिट्रीट समारोह जो गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह का औपचारिक और विधिवत समापन होता है। अब से कुछ ही देर में